Tips for hiring a headache-free contractor. Doing construction projects are not cheap, and with so many horror stories of companies, contractors running off with money, uncompleted or shoddy work, it is important to do your due diligence when hiring a contractor. So if you're looking to hire a contractor soon, if you're a homeowner or you're going to be a homeowner, you want to keep watching as I am going to drop some helpful tips to help you when you get to this point. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor in the DMV area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, let's connect. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment, like the video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. So tips for hiring headache-free. You don't want headache contractor when you're doing any upgrade in your house or any work in your house. Number one, you want to get at least 5 to 6 quotes and compare. So you don't always want to go for the lowest quote or the highest either. You want to compare and make sure you have everything. Number two, make sure they are licensed and insured. Ask for proof and check for validity. Why do you need to check? It has happened to me before. They said they are licensed, they are not licensed. You can go to your state licensing website and check their name. Number three, ask to see their past work through 3 at least references that you can call and see. You want to check online for reviews. Oh, this has helped me a lot. Google review and their status on Better Business Bureau. You want to check it. Number 4, this is very important. Have a signed contract where both of you sign, detailing the project, every detail, the time frame, the payment schedule, the warranty description. If they're going to offer you any warranty, you should ask for warranty. And also detailed unexpected issues happen, how it's going to be handled. Listen, there's going to be unexpected issue. If there's unintended damage to your property, how is that going to be resolved? You also want to make sure that you are excluded from any liability if they are hiring subcontractors. In case they don't pay the subcontractor, you are not going to be liable for that. For projects that is big projects, right, you may want to consider hiring a lawyer to review the contract for you. This other point is very important. If there are work order changes, and believe me, based on experience, you're going to have work order changes because there's going to be things that will come out like, oh, I don't know. You want to make sure you put those things in your contract and put it in writing. Both of you initiate it. Listen, don't rely on text, email communication. If you already have a signed contract, put it in that contract. And number 5, avoid paying cash. Who has cash? You want to make sure you have your payment detail check. If you still write check or electronic payments, you want to include the details in the memo when you make any payment. Number 6, avoid contractors who offer door-to-door service. You know, people that knock on your door. Many scams are associated with this. Don't do it. Number 7, make sure when the work is finished, you get a receipt that said satisfied, paid in full. You don't want any contractor to go sue you. So a little diligence before hiring a contractor can save you big headache. And you can get the job done right the first time. All right. Also remember, you want to ask for recommendation. That's actually a good starting point from your friends or family, or even yours truly. I do a lot of rehab. Don't forget, recommendation is very good. So don't hesitate to reach out if you need recommendation on contractor. That is a wrap on tips for hiring headache-free contractor. So if you find this video helpful, useful, please make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel to get more on real estate insight. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, let's connect. Until next time, happy investing, contractor, or hiring a contractor. See you in the next video.